Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greeting, AliShanMao here. Let's hope this plane will fly. This is too close to the trees and stuff for landing. So I will need to go farther. I will stand up there, Arish, okay? Hold the boat. It is, and it will go farther. So we have to do landing somehow farther.
Land on the water.
Yeah, this will land on the water. See, no problems. This plane is fun to fly, man. And this is the best time to fly it because of the flooded river. What Arish is doing there? You're waiting for the plane to land and pick up?
2 minutes.
Where to land?
On the water.
On the water? Again? That's fun, right? What are those bubbles, right? See?
What are these? Under the
Color? Come on, get up!
Yeah.
弟弟抓不行的，
弟弟没事的，我想知道。
他也去了。
往上面走了。
好了好了，行了，哎，
就飞哪上面走？
别动了啊！
好，吃鸡。
不能上来吧？
吃鸡。
湿巾呀，我拿湿巾，别动了啊！小丽，你领着点啊。
I need to get my surfboats ready very, very quick so we can test it here before the water goes down, right?
过来，咱上去吧，好不好？
糖果。
你了。
我要糖果，你以为啥呀？我要糖果。弟弟没有糖果，这个糖果吃完了。没吃完都扔了。
回来了。飞机。
Okay, safe to pick up. Enough flight?
过来。
All right, let's go.